Female caught on video stealing car at Popcaan's Fixtape release party. Stick around for the full story coming up.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Yes, people, so Popcaan just dropped his new Fixtape. If you haven't checked it out yet, you can check it out. I listen to some of the song. Me not get you all of it yet, but you know what I mean? Me stream a couple songs. I have like 2 features from Drake, and I mean, I have Party Next Door upon it, and French Montana. That are just the big name them, you know, but I have other people too as well. And find couple songs on it where I feel like are going to be some bangers and them gonna play in a dancehall, right? But people, you know, at the release party now, somebody stole a car. And luckily for the owner of the car, it was caught on video. But the most surprising thing, it's a female. So we have the footage from the CCTV, and we're going to show that to you. And we also have a caption from Popcaan, and Jada replied to it. And we're going to show you that too. So let us take a look at the video of this girl allegedly stealing this car, okay? So yeah, people, from you can see on the video, it seems like she stole the keys and then she drive with the car. And this is just my observation. I don't know if I saw it go or not. If you agree or disagree, please put in the comment section. But that what it looked like to me, because you know what I mean, I never say she had broke out no window or whatever. She go to the passenger side, then she look like she walk around, go to the driver side, open it and drive with the car. You see me? That's my observation. If you watch this and you see something different, you know what I mean, put it in the comment section and tell me. But now let's get to the post where Popcaan make and the caption, and also what Jada said replying to that caption. All right. So there's a picture with the caption also, but it's not like 100% clear. I mean, I don't know if nobody can make her out and, you know what I mean, do the right thing. So the caption say, Black Nissan Juke stolen by the female in this picture from a prominent guest house in Kingston 8 area this morning at around 5. Whoever know this girl, tell her just return the car. She too bad. Nah, sir. That's what Popcaan wrote, right? And there was a bunch of comment, and then Jada Kingdom comment on that and said, wow, LOL, I saw her there, you know. And me say, why the girl here a move so off? Wow. And then Popcaan reply and say, she did well take seat like she a artist. So, I don't know I really go on from that. I don't really see too much more about it. So, hopefully, I hope say the person, the owner for the vehicle, get back the vehicle. And we don't know what them are going to do if they will press charge towards her or whatever. But if this go like how it has said go, and there is no mix-up and no misunderstanding, say like, she get permission for drive the car or whatever, which me not think say go so, because it's go all the way to CCTV, you know, then pull footage and then look back and see how drive a car and Ray, which is stupid pan for your part, you know. So I don't know what gonna happen, but I hope the one I get back them vehicle. But it's surprising to me because I wouldn't expect a female for thief a car, you know. You know what I say? People thief all day, every day, male and female, but when it come to car, you mostly like, you gotta expect, say, is a man and I do them something there, or a group of man, or I guess because it's known in the past to be like a group of man do them kind of something and steal vehicle and them thing there, you know. we wouldn't expect a female, but it's a lone female. It's not a group of female or not now one woman. You know what I mean? And she get it so easy, and I like she have a highly driveway and push it out like the rest of people. You see what I say? I never have to use a record, nothing. She does outsmart the driver, get the key, and drive with the car. You see what I say? So, people, that's it. You know, if there's any update on this, or if this is worthy of doing another part, you know, if the owner get back the car, or if the car is still missing, I will do that. Right? So other than that, thank you for watching this video. And if it's your first time on this channel and you like the video and you like what we do here, please subscribe for daily updates. And to all my longtime subscribers, thank you for watching.
We got Diamond in my AP, Dancehall IG, Atina. Excuse me, Dancehall IG, Rich. Punk, should know, 10 to blacks. Yadi!